Hey guys, welcome to Jammer Rebuilders. We're so excited you could join us today. We're going to be back on the Red Rocket. I'm here with Steven from Crossroads Rebuilds. We're going to be working on the truck today and trying Steven out. Maybe replace Ryan.
Wait! What's going on? Why would you do this to me?
Whoa,
I thought we were friends!
This worked out. This is a little awkward.
Guys, alright, so what we gotta do is we gotta get the lower core support prepped so that we can weld it. We gotta get the apron prepped so we can weld it. So we're gonna take the flap discs and wire brushes and get the paint off so we can get to welding.
Let's do it.
Why are you showing on my ladder?
Yeah, he was trying to look tall for the video.
Gosh.
Ryan.
Yeah, what's up?
So tell me why are we doing this? Why are we grinding all the paint off of all of our brand new pieces that we spent all this money on?
Because for some reason they don't come primed with weld through primer because they hate America. So
That's really the reason?
yes, it's written in the bylaws of the manufacturing facilities of the parts makers. Yeah. What do you think, Steven?
I think that's about as good a reason as I've ever heard. Yeah, that's probably it.
So what's really the reason?
We have to have a clean surface to mate the metal to, so when we weld, there's a nice clean. Here we're going to be what's called plug welding. We're just basically filling in a hole that was already cut. So, whereas up here we're going to do what's called spot welding, and that is with the, it's going to be two prongs that touch, and they have to be, the metal has to be touching each other, and then the surfaces have to be clean so that they weld through in a nice clean weld.
Going at it. All right, I'm good. You good?
Yeah.
It really wouldn't be a Jammer Rebuilders video if it didn't include some sort of a hammer.
Jammer hammer, babe.
Oh man.
Good thing you're wearing steel toes, though.
Steel toes. As in you can still see my toes. That's what steel toes means, right? You can steel toes my seat.
But be honest, Ryan. How many times have you busted a toe doing that?
So far, none. Now, I do have the toe of shame. I dropped a car on it once. Sorry, Steven. There you go.
All day long. I'm gonna see if I can hit him.
I don't mind. Part of it.
Hey Ryan, are you almost done with this, man?
I got a little bit more. Hold on.
Go ahead. So this is all looking pretty good, Ryan. Right here. Way to go, Steven.
Yeah.
Appreciate your work.
Oh yeah.
Without you here, this might have taken hours. For this reason right here.
Yeah, I can see the troubles you go through on a regular basis.
See it?
I get distracted.
So-
Listen, the music's in my
by
soul.
the end of this episode, I have to make a decision. Do I keep the person on the left or the right? And hey,
do.
comment below and let me know what you think. Left or right?
Listen, if I end up staying here, though, you got to go up to Indiana and work on that Jag for me.
You don't want to pick him because I don't want to touch a Jaguar. So.
All right, so what's next on this little project?
All right.
Let's see, you got some little noise makers. What can you do with those?
We're gonna put the lower core support back in that we've already had in and out twice, bolt it back up, and then put our upper core support on, line up all of our holes. I need to finish welding that first, so why don't we do that before I put the upper core support in? Because we need that to be fixed so that we can weld it so it doesn't pull out like it did last time.
Hey Ryan, what's the next plan, buddy?
Clean up the bird poop. So.
Every single time.
Sorry, Steve.
And guys, if you had just starting now to watch Jammer Rebuilders, you need to go back and watch the Silver Bullet. It's Silver Bullet, that's what you called it, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
It's a good build. You need to go watch that.
Awesome.
Yeah,
We appreciate your endorsement, Steven.
Well, absolutely. Crossroads.
Ow! Whoa! I just pinched my finger. Luckily, the Lord gave me 10 appendages, so if I ever damage it one, I got nightmare. Can't have too many appendages.
So it looks like we got the upper and lower core support on.
We do, and everything lined up really well, which is A-okay with me.
Yeah, what a relief that is, right?
That's Tums.
Well, what a relief this is.
I say that to say, next we're gonna get these hood hinges out,
Okay.
so we can get that off. We're gonna get the new fender on, just set in place, the new hood in place, and just set everything in place so we can get some good eye looking and make sure everything lines up and all of our body lines, you know, our body lines line up. Hey brother, just leave that one on there. Thank you, Steven, for your kindness and generosity.
So what have we discovered here?
We discovered that we bought a bent fender. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it on, heat, and put some heat on it, and then
Ryan's gonna grab it and pull it straight.
No, that's not. No, what are we gonna do?
we're gonna grab hold, son. Grab hold.
Grab hold.
That was for you. That one fan that loves that word. Grab hold.
Well, this thing's built for tough.
Yes, sir.
All right, so it looks like we've got the hood on. We have the fender on.
We got the hood, all of it's lined up. So now what I'm gonna do is hit a spot here, get it rough so I can get some welding, fill in some holes.
Down in here?
Yeah, and then we're gonna get on and get after it. So.
Awesome, all right, let's do it.
Feel intentional.
Starting to feel intentional. Really?
I'm not gonna lie, I looked over, I saw what I was about to do, and I was like, what are the chances? And then I looked at Jason while I was doing it, smiled. Well, guys, we got her done. We got everything back together, and it wasn't really that bad of a day. What do you think?
It was just all of it.
It was all of it. Yeah, it was a day.
But we got a lot done, right? What did we get done?
We got the core support in. We got the apron welded in. We got the lower core support in. We got the hood on, the fender on. Everything lines up.
Hey man,
all
we
of our
even got
bolts.
some headlights in there.
Oh,
Right?
don't forget these guys.
Incredible. So, awesome. We hope that you love the video, honestly, and we hope you continue to watch. So hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, that'll notify you of things that are coming up.
Yep.
New videos that we do. We try to do them every week, but
Thank you to Steven for coming over from Crossroad Rebuilds. Guys, go to
Awesome
his
video.
channel, click the notification button and subscribe button on his channel. And on that note, we'll see you next time, Jammer Nation!